Hi guys, welcome back to Triplezon, where we explore the top 3 best CarPlay AI box options to upgrade your car's infotainment, navigation, and entertainment experience. From seamless wireless CarPlay to multitasking split screens, we've got the smartest picks for your vehicle. Let's get started. Number 3 on our list is the Ottocast Nano CarPlay AI Box. The Ottocast Nano CarPlay AI Box represents a significant advancement in in-car technology, transforming the way drivers interact with their vehicles. Equipped with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6225 CPU, this AI box delivers smooth and responsive performance, handling Android 13 and multimedia streaming effortlessly. Its robust 8GB RAM and 128GB ROM provide generous memory and storage, allowing users to install apps, store media, and enjoy a seamless entertainment experience on the road. One of the standout features of the Ottocast Nano is its OTA online upgrade system, which keeps the device constantly updated with the latest Android 13 improvements. This ensures not only enhanced functionality, but also ongoing security and stability. For global users, the AI box supports multiple languages, including English and Japanese, along with intuitive voice control, allowing hands-free operation and safer driving. In terms of connectivity, the Ottocast Nano excels with wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, offering cable-free integration with ultra-low latency. This means drivers can effortlessly access navigation, music, and messaging apps without the clutter of wires, creating a cleaner, more organized dashboard. Compact yet powerful, the Ottocast Nano CarPlay AI Box combines cutting-edge hardware, advanced software, and versatile connectivity features. It is designed to modernize the in-car experience, providing convenience, entertainment, and intelligent interaction for drivers who want the latest technology at their fingertips. This AI box is a forward-thinking solution for anyone looking to upgrade their vehicle's digital interface, ensuring a connected, enjoyable, and safe driving journey. Number 2 is the CarlinKit CarPlay AI Box. The CarlinKit CarPlay AI Box brings a transformative experience to in-car infotainment, combining the latest technology with seamless usability. Running on the newest Android 13.0 system, it supports both wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, allowing users to easily switch between platforms by tapping the AutoKit icon. Fully compatible with iPhone and Android devices, it also supports FOTA online upgrades, keeping the system up to date effortlessly. Designed for convenience, the device is fully plug and play, automatically reconnecting after the initial setup, which streamlines your journey and minimizes setup time. Its core is powered by a Qualcomm SM6225 processor, offering high performance with low power consumption, ensuring stable and responsive operation even during extended use. Connectivity is robust, with support for SIM and TF cards, a built-in 4G full Netcom module, and the option to use your phone's hotspot. It supports dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz and 5.8 GHz, and Bluetooth 4.2 and 5.0, making it versatile for multiple devices. The CarPlay AI box comes with generous memory options, including 4GB RAM plus 64GB ROM, or 8GB RAM plus 128GB ROM, expandable via SD card, allowing smooth performance for apps, media, and navigation. The system includes a built-in GPS, Wi-Fi antenna, and Bluetooth antenna, enabling navigation and connectivity even in vehicles without native navigation functions. Users can download apps from the Google Play Store, watch movies, stream videos, or play music from external SD cards. Its split-screen function allows simultaneous video playback and navigation, enhancing both entertainment and practicality. Engineered to endure diverse conditions, the CarlinKit CarPlay AI Box operates reliably in temperatures ranging from -20 degrees Celsius to +65 degrees Celsius, making it a durable companion for any journey. This innovative device integrates connectivity, entertainment, and navigation into one compact solution, redefining the modern driving experience. And finally, our number one pick is the Ottocast P3 CarPlay AI Box. The Ottocast P3 CarPlay AI Box represents a significant leap in-car technology, transforming any compatible vehicle into a smart, connected hub. Powered by the latest AutoDrive 2.0 OS on Android 12, the P3 offers an intuitive and user-friendly interface designed to enhance both navigation and entertainment during your drives. This smart box supports wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, giving drivers seamless access to smartphone functions without the need for cables, while also opening the door to a full entertainment system with apps like Netflix, IPTV, and more. One of the standout features of the Ottocast P3 is its split-screen ratio setting, which allows users to view multiple apps simultaneously with options such as 3:7, 5:5, and 7:3. This enables effortless multitasking, allowing navigation, media, and other apps to operate side by side. Beyond functionality, the P3 emphasizes personalization with comprehensive homepage customization, letting users arrange widgets, shortcuts, and essential tools according to individual preferences. The system also provides detailed monitoring of your car's AI unit, displaying real-time information on CPU usage, network speed, and other critical data. This ensures that performance remains smooth and responsive, giving drivers confidence in the device's reliability. With its combination of connectivity, entertainment, and intelligent features, the Ottocast P3 CarPlay AI Box elevates the driving experience by merging convenience, personalization, and real-time control into one sleek package, making it an innovative companion for modern vehicles. That's a smart right upgrade. Check the price link in the description and like and subscribe to Triplezon for more top car tech reviews and gadget guides.